These trains should be full. Activity in the city's core is nearly back to normal, but transit use is sluggish, about half of what it should be.
Calgary is heavily influenced by people who like to drive. And our downtown market has a lot of people that historically have always wanted to drive to work.
Across the country, public transit use is increasing, but is still about 50% lower compared to 2019, even with more workers heading back to the office.
The nature of work and work-related travel has changed significantly post-pandemic.
Some people work from home or are back in the habit of driving, this professor says, while others are conscious about COVID and wanting more personal space.
It'll take at least 2, 3, 4 years for us to go back to where we are, if we ever go back to where we are.
Ridership in small cities is the slowest to recover. Meanwhile, in some parts of the GTA, passenger levels are more than 70% of normal. At this Toronto bus terminal, activity is picking up. There are few empty seats, says this student who's commuting from Mississauga to Ajax for a work internship.
I think a lot of people are returning back to work, and so because of that, it's getting busier and busier by the day.
Transit agencies should prepare now for more passengers, some experts say, especially with rising fuel prices.
Suddenly, people are going to get really upset about a transit service that is not fast, not convenient, not on time, not getting them to where they need to get to.
For now, it's a juggling act for transit agencies, trying to keep costs in check while also providing enough service and routes to entice passengers back. Kyle Bax, CBC News, Calgary.